class. Today we're going to begin learning about angles. So this is new, so we're just going to start off with our basic steps of learning definitions and keywords of the angles and how to tell the difference and all of that good stuff. So the three main angles that we're going to pinpoint are acute, right, and obtuse angles. So what I want you to do within your group is just talk about what you know about each of the angles. And if you don't know anything, that's okay, but we'll just kind of discuss what we know before we get started. Okay, so we're going to move on here. So what to know about an acute angle? An acute angle will be any angle less than 90 degrees. And some of us might not know what a 90-degree angle is right now, but we'll get there. So next is the right angle. What to know about a right angle? A right angle is equal to 90 degrees. So here we go. This is 90 degrees. So that would be a right angle. And if we go back to the other one, let's see. This says an acute will be any angle less than 90 degrees. So now we see this is 90 degrees, and that's less. The next one is an obtuse angle, and an obtuse angle measures more than 90 degrees, but less than 180. So if we backtrack again, here's 90 degrees. So an obtuse angle is more than 90 degrees, but less than 180. So this shows us that it's 120. So it's right in between 90 and 180, so it can be labeled as an obtuse. So that was just kind of to just get us started there. The first activity I have for y'all, this one y'all will do individually, and it's kind of simple. So for the first one, I actually gave the degree, so just to help you out a little bit. And you're going to have a word bank, so you'll just look at the angle and use the word bank and just label on the line what you think that is. So this one is 120, so we'll work this one together. So as we just looked there, if it's equal to 90, it's a right angle, so that couldn't be right angle. If it's an acute, it's less than 90. Well, that's 120, so now we've narrowed it down that it's an obtuse angle. So on the line, you'll just write obtuse, and you'll just do that so on this one. And then the next one I want y'all to do is, we're still working individually on this one too, but here you're going to do this on your own, and everyone's is going to be different. So I want you to make 2 acute angles, 1 right angle, and 2 obtuse. So you'll just take your marker, and I'll do the first one with you on this one too. And I'm going to do 90 degrees, so that's a right angle. So I'll just draw my line here and go up 90, and we can just write our little box because that's our key point to remember for right angle. And then on the line, I'll label what I made. So I made a right angle. So we'll just do that, and I already did my 1 right, so now I need 2 obtuse and 2 acute angles. And you can make whatever degree you want on your own. And then once y'all complete both of these and do them right, we're going to do a group activity. And everyone's going to have a Ziploc bag. And all we're going to do is everyone's just going to mix them all up. We can mix them up on the table. And then you'll just draw one out. So I drew an angle that's 46 degrees. So it's less than 90, because here's a 90, so it's less than 90, so that would be acute. So we're going to put the acute over here, and just so on. The next person will pick. This one's 120, so it's more than 90, so it's obtuse. So we'll just put the obtuse over here, and so on. So today we just learned the basic steps of angles, and the definition, we should be able to define what an acute, a right, and obtuse angle is. And that is it.